Hello there, Altair Science. This is just a really quick video to show you all some tips and tricks on how to use Zoom. So as you can see, this is our Zoom screen. Right now I have my video turned off, and that's just so I can make this video with you all. You remember should have your video turned on at all times. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see the mute and unmute button. So if you join and you are unmuted, make sure you click that mute. You can Alt A, so hold Alt and A at the same time, which will mute and unmute you back and forth. If you're muted and you have a question and I've called on you, you can simply hold down the space bar and that will actually unmute you temporarily. As you can see on this right-hand side of the screen, I've already brought up the participant screen and the chat, but I'm going to go ahead and just close those so you know how to get to them. So down here along your menu bar, you're not going to have all of these because you're not the moderator. I am. You're just going to have participants, chat, and reactions. So participants, if you click it, that's going to bring up everybody who is in the room with us. You can click yes, no, go slower, go faster. There's more with a thumbs up, thumbs down, and clap. Those are reactions to tell me answers to questions I may be asking. I may ask everybody, hey, you have 15 minutes. You're going to watch this video and you're going to do some independent writing. When you're done, raise your hand or click the yes mark. You will find those here under participants. You can click the little button there to close it or pop it out. I recommend you don't pop it out, but if you do, this is what it looks like. You can move it around the screen, and then to bring it back, you're just going to click the three boxes here, and you're going to do merge to meeting window. So then, if you want to chat, your chat should always be open, so I recommend you just open it. Is right there, and here's the chat. You can send a message to everybody or just to me. You cannot do one-on-one messaging between your friends within class. Remember, this is saved with every meeting. It's automatically saved, so it's not something I can forget. And then reactions, these are just two. They're going to stay on your screen and mine for about 10 seconds. The other reactions are up there for good unless you take them off, or I do. Again, you can clap or you can give a thumbs up. I will be asking you to do that randomly just to make sure you are participating and listening. The last thing I want to show you is how to split your screen. So all you're going to do is you're going to hold this top tab here and pull it down. And then you can either go to the right or to the left. As you can see, when I pull it all the way to the right, there's that gray box that pops up. You are simply going to slide it over and let go. It's then going to pull up a half screen and your screen for Zoom. If you're going to be in that half screen, you can move the chat to match kind of the frame so the chat's not taking up the whole way. You can also pop out the chat if you need to. So that is an option as well. So I hope this answered some questions. I hope it gave you some tips and tricks. If you have any questions about how to use Zoom, just let me know. There's one final thing I wanted to show you. So I'm going to close out of my Zoom meeting here. So this is my Altair Science site. You can get to this by going to the Altair webpage. We will go over this virtual classroom in another video, but I want to show you it's here. You have a link here that will link you to the Zoom classroom, but you also have a link right here that you can just copy over. If you're already in Zoom and you need to join, hopefully you can still see my page. You will click this join right here, and you will enter in my meeting ID, which is right here, 910-754-4717. That will be the same for all class periods. Remember, you need to be on immediately when that class time starts. So if your class time is 10:35, I would recommend logging in at 10:33. That way you're there, you're in the waiting room, so when I open the class, you're there, you're ready to go. Remember, video on, microphone muted. Not off, muted. If you have any questions, again, send me an email and I will virtually see you all soon. Bye.